Before luxury brands dominated fashion, before athletic wear became everyday clothing, before social media accelerated trends across the globe, there were jeans, simple, durable, reliable, and destined to become one of the most successful garments ever created. Today, denim jeans are worn by billions of people. They appear in cities and villages, factories and offices, schools and fashion runways. They cross cultural boundaries with remarkable ease. Rich and poor, young and old, workers and executives, few pieces of clothing have achieved such universal acceptance. Yet the story of denim jeans began far from fashion. It began with a problem. Work was destroying clothing. The 19th century was an age of expansion. Railroads stretched across continents, factories multiplied, mining operations expanded, agriculture grew increasingly industrialized. Workers needed garments capable of surviving harsh conditions. Ordinary fabrics often failed, seams split, pockets tore, material wore thin. Durability became a necessity rather than a luxury. The solution emerged through a combination of textile innovation and practical design. Denim, a sturdy cotton fabric woven using a twill pattern. The diagonal weave increased strength, improved durability, and created a distinctive appearance. The fabric could withstand demanding environments far better than many alternatives. This characteristic made it ideal for workwear. Yet strong fabric alone was not enough. Construction mattered too. The early development of jeans introduced one of the most important innovations in clothing history. Metal rivets. Placed at stress points, rivets reinforced areas most likely to fail. Corners of pockets, points of tension, locations exposed to repeated strain. The idea was simple: strengthen weaknesses before they become problems. This principle remains central to engineering today. Anticipate failure, then design around it. The result was extraordinary, a garment capable of surviving conditions that destroyed many competitors. Workers noticed, demand increased, the reputation of jeans spread. The success of denim jeans demonstrates an important truth. Products often become iconic because they solve real problems exceptionally well. Before becoming cultural symbols, jeans were tools, practical equipment, designed for performance. Their popularity was earned through utility. Not marketing, not celebrity endorsement, utility. The science behind denim contributed significantly to this success. Cotton fibers provide comfort. The twill weave increases durability. Indigo dye creates a distinctive visual identity. Interestingly, indigo behaves differently than many dyes. Rather than penetrating fibers completely, it often remains concentrated near the surface. As a result, denim develops fading patterns over time. The garment changes with use. Every crease, every fold, every movement contributes to its appearance. Jeans effectively record experience. Few textiles age in quite the same way. This characteristic would later become one of the greatest strengths. What began as wear eventually became style. The 20th century transformed the cultural role of jeans dramatically. As industrial societies evolved, workwear increasingly entered public life. Clothing once associated exclusively with labor began appearing elsewhere. The process accelerated through media. Film, photography, television, popular culture. Actors appeared wearing jeans. Musicians adopted them. Public figures embraced them. The garment acquired new meanings. Independence, authenticity, individuality, freedom. These associations proved powerful. Fashion often adopts objects carrying strong narratives. Jeans carried one of the strongest narratives available. A connection to work, to effort, to practicality, to real life. Psychology helps explain their enduring appeal. Humans often value authenticity. Objects perceived as honest tend to generate trust. Denim jeans communicate honesty visually. The visible stitching, the rivets, the fading, the texture, nothing feels hidden. The garment reveals how it works. This transparency creates emotional appeal. People frequently prefer products that appear genuine. Jeans embody this quality naturally. The relationship between jeans and identity became increasingly important. Clothing functions as a form of communication. People use garments to express values, affiliations, and personal preferences. Jeans proved unusually flexible in this role. The same garment could support multiple interpretations. Practical, rebellious, casual, creative, minimalist, fashionable. The meaning changed depending on context. This flexibility contributed significantly to global success. Few garments adapt so easily. The economics of jeans are equally fascinating. Most fashion trends eventually disappear. Styles emerge, gain popularity, then fade. Jeans repeatedly resisted this cycle. Their foundation remained practical even as aesthetics evolved. Different cuts appeared, different washes emerged, different fits became fashionable, yet the essential garment survived. Innovation occurred around the core design rather than replacing it. This pattern often characterizes successful products. Strong foundations support continuous adaptation. Technology expanded possibilities further. Manufacturers introduced new weaving methods. improved dye processes, advanced finishing techniques, stretch fibers, sustainable production methods. Yet despite these changes, the basic concept remains recognizable. Denim fabric, reinforced construction, functional design. The original idea continues proving effective. Globalization accelerated adoption dramatically. Today, jeans appear almost everywhere. Different cultures interpret them differently. Some emphasize practicality, others emphasize fashion. Some connect jeans to American cultural history. Others incorporate them into entirely local traditions. The garment adapts remarkably well because its strengths are universal. Comfort, durability, versatility, reliability. These qualities transcend geography. Jeans also reveal something important about design longevity. Many products succeed because they are new. Few succeed because they remain useful for generations. Denim jeans belong to the second category. Their survival depends on performance. Even individuals uninterested in fashion often own jeans. This widespread acceptance is rare. The garment occupies a unique position. Fashion item, workwear, cultural symbol, everyday necessity, all at once. Modern designers continue reinventing jeans constantly. Luxury versions, minimalist versions, technical versions, sustainable versions, experimental versions. Yet beneath these variations lies the same essential concept. A durable garment built for real life. Perhaps that is why jeans never disappeared. Not because they avoided change, but because they embraced it. The design evolved without abandoning its purpose. Function remained central. Style followed. The strongest products often achieve this balance. They solve practical problems while creating emotional connections. Denim jeans accomplished both. And beneath the indigo dye, beneath the copper rivets, beneath the stitching, fading, and generations of cultural influence, denim jeans tell a larger story. A story about durability. Not only physical durability, cultural durability. The ability to remain relevant across changing times. Changing technologies, changing societies. Because the most successful designs are not always the most complex. They are the ones people continue choosing. Year after year, generation after generation, the denim jean became exactly that. A garment of labor, a symbol of identity, and perhaps the most successful clothing item ever created.